the event workshop, it ended less than 24 hours ago. And you've kind of set a new event record by producing
Did
results. I believe so. Yeah. So can you just tell me what happened Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday outside of the event, implementing what you learned?
Outside, oh Lordy. I go for my run. We moved downtown because I always wanted to live in an urban area. So we're literally 0.7 miles from downtown, which I love. So I'm taking this new route on my run, and Jonathan mentioned, start smiling more, start smiling more. And I was like, okay, I'm going to start smiling more. So I did my run. I see these people and they're walking by this real estate office with coffee cups and they're looking at the pictures. And I'm like, you know what? Always be aware of what's happening around you. Just don't put your head in the sand like an ostrich. So I walked by and I smiled and I said, good morning. And they're like, good morning. I said, are you here visiting friends or family? And they're saying, no, we're here to buy some property. And I said, well, I think I just ran into my new clients. They said, are you a realtor? And I said, yeah. And so half an hour went by. He's taking all my contact information, asking me questions. They're from California. They want to escape. And it happened. And that night, I sent them info on some property. That night, I showed them some property. They wrote a contract yesterday, just from a smile and a, hi, how are you? Yeah. And they said, you're really different than agents we work with in California. I never dressed up. I had my running outfit on, sweat, hair, and a bun with a ball cap, and it was just, I just said, you know what? Stop. Don't go there. Just be you and let it go.
So one of the things Jonathan teaches, and I don't know if this is what you implemented or not, but having a calendar. And so you had your calendar set for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday that you were in the event, right?
I got it for next Monday and Tuesday.
Right. But you didn't like drop what you had planned for the day to serve these clients, did you? And they were okay with that.
I said, I'm booked for Monday and Tuesday. I'm done at 7. So if you want to go, yes, we do. I said, they didn't even ask. They didn't even ask. I said, I'm done on Wednesday at 2. They said, well, we have to be at the airport by 3:30 at the latest. I said, okay. So I sent Jonathan a note. I'm literally running over to to send my contract to my clients. They have to be at the airport at 3:30. And they signed it, Johnny on the spot. They took off and I sent it off to the agent. It got accepted this morning at 8 o'clock.
Oh, it did get accepted.
Yes. Full price, no inspection, cash offer. Hello.